So, as part of yesterday's class, okay, we discussed about variable, what is a variable, the intent of the variable, and what are the what are the prerequisites of the variables. These are all we have discussed as part of yesterday's class. I hope everyone is clear on that. So, any doubts on yesterday's class? If not, so we'll proceed with further classes. So as part of today's class, we'll continue same. So in simple and short, a variable is a placeholder in order to pass the input, in order to store the intermediate output, or in order to return the value to the in order to return the output to a customer. Then variables plays a key role. But in Unix, as part of shell scripting, you need not to be you need not to follow the rules which are having by other programming languages. Straightforward, we can able to define a variable wherever you want, and that variable can access any type of data, either a number, character, any kind of data it can store. And the maximum of that the allocation of that one is yesterday we have it's near to 2 MB. That is the maximum allocation of storage. So this is about variables. The only prerequisites are the name of the variable should starts with character. Then yeah, if the variable name is more than two words, it should be concatenated by it should be combined by using underscore. Similarly, the value of variable is more than. So similarly, if you're having a the we do have a value of variable is more than one, you should keep it in a single quotations or double quotations. So for variable, we can also assign the output of a command, and even a text or whatever you want, we can able to assign it by using the single quotations and double quotations. So these are about variables. So this is about the variables. And variable, since Unix is a case sensitive, so if you are declaring that capital letter is a capital, it treats as if the variable is a combination of small and capital letter, it consider all of them are unique. All of them are unique. So and the another way is we can easily you can easily override the output of a variable. Just variable name is equals to again the value. Just variable name again is a kind of value. And similarly we do have similarly, so we do have, if you want to declare a variable, so in order to declare a variable as a permanent, so assume that as part of session, so as part of session, if you want to declare variable as a constant, then we can go with the read only. We can go with the read only. So if you go with read only throughout the session, we can't able to make the change. So throughout the session, you can't able to make the changes. So that is about the read only. So any doubts on here? Okay. So this is until about yesterday's class. So today what we do is we know that how to declare the value of variable, how to access the value of variable. We can able to access the value of variable by using dollar symbol. By using the dollar symbol. Okay, that is straightforward. That is straightforward. And now we are going to discuss about a variable called read. A variable called read. So what is the meaning of read is, so for example, so if I let's write a small program. So will be cd var temp. So I'm going to write a small program. So vi variable underscore test dot sh, variable dot test underscore sh. So hash not bin by bash. So for example country. So country is equals to India. Whereas if you want to declare countries, so in this case we can also use India and China So okay, Pakistan, okay, Bangladesh, we can able to okay define it, we can able to define it. So but for example, okay, name, so okay, name is equals to, so okay, for example, I'm going to okay, define some name. And okay, date, so okay, echo, so okay, echo, welcome, okay, welcome to, okay, okay, welcome, okay, welcome, okay, dollar, okay, name, so welcome, okay, dollar, okay, name. And okay, welcome to okay, dollar name, so okay, welcome to the, okay, welcome to the dollar country, welcome to the okay, dollar country, okay, okay, Mr. Okay, dollar, okay, name, okay, dollar name, so okay, okay, dollar, okay, name. So this is the okay statement. So in this statement, so if you go with okay, can you, Mamata, can you go? So can you, I don't know what we are doing. Can you rub it? So if you go on okay here, so VI variable test.sh, what is the first one? CH mode 755 variable test.sh. So now if you go with okay variable test.sh, so now execute okay dot forward slash variable test.sh. So we are going to get welcome to the okay, India, so okay, Mr. Ram. So for example, now I have a requirement that, so I have a requirement that, so okay, now I have a requirement that, so I want to, so okay, I want to, okay, I mean, whenever you run this program, okay, whenever you run okay this program, so okay, whenever okay you run this program, so okay, whenever okay you run this program, then okay, then okay, then okay, whenever you run this program, always you will get the same output. So always you will get a same output. Now I want to change my output. I want to change my output. Okay, stating that. So welcome to the okay, welcome to the okay, okay, welcome to our country. Okay, Mister. So I want to change the country and okay, name. Both I want to change it. Both I want to okay change it. So both I want to okay change it. So in this case, so in this case, so welcome to okay, okay, welcome to okay, welcome to our country. Welcome to the okay, welcome to okay, our country. And now I want to okay change it. So I want to okay change. So okay, I want to okay change. So in order to change this one, so what you need to do is you need to learn a keyword called okay read. So read is a keyword. So with help of okay read keyword, what we can do is we can able to okay, okay what we can do is we can able to okay read. So we can able to okay read, okay, we can able to okay, read the data from user after executing the program. So a read is a keyword. So okay, read is a keyword. So with help of okay read keyword, so with help of okay read keyword, what we can do is okay read. So okay, with the help of okay read keyword, okay read keyword, we can able to okay, we can able to read the input, we can able to read the input okay after executing the program. So after executing the okay program, after executing the okay program, so after executing the okay program, so which means that, so okay, the moment okay, there are two ways to okay pass the input, there are so two ways to okay pass the input, so there are okay two ways to so okay pass the okay input. One is, so I mean, one is after executing the program, if you are going to pass okay, if you want to okay enter some input, okay, if you want to enter some input and you want to read that input, so that also, that kind of input we can call it as a dynamic input. So if you want to I mean, if your program you should write a, I mean, you want to write a program okay in a such a way that you want, after executing the program, it has to ask the user, it has to ask the user okay to, it has to ask the user okay to okay to enter the okay, inputs, to enter the okay, inputs. Or the other way is, so for example assume that so okay, the other way is, for example assume that okay, there is a kind of okay conditions, there is a kind of conditions. So for example okay, I mean okay, your office hours are like okay, whatever, okay, there are some conditions, the conditions are okay, you want, I mean, if you see that, okay, other commands like rm command, other command, it will ask you to, okay, enter the input. For example, if you execute rm file name, it will ask you to, okay, enter the input, right? Y or n. So which means that it's a kind of, okay, user input. So if you want to, okay, based on the user input, okay, whether y or no, if you want to run further programs, so that we can able to achieve by using this, okay, read command. So read command main intention is, okay, read the input, okay, read the input from caller. So okay, read the, okay, input from caller, okay, caller, or okay, programmer, okay, while executing the program. So while executing the program. So while executing the, okay, program. So that is the main, okay, intent of this, okay, read command. So we can, some people will also call it as, if you want to, okay, if you want to read the data dynamically from a program, then okay, we can go with, okay, then, so okay, we can go with, okay, then we can go with this, okay, read keyword. Now, as part of, okay, read keyword, so we're having, so okay, I mean, hyphen d defined as a delimiter, hyphen I defined as a text, hyphen n defined as a, okay, nchar, so okay, n prompt, and okay, hyphen t is a timeout. So how much timeout you want to specify, that okay, we are going to be specifying. Now let's go ahead and, okay, okay, run these commands. Now country. So okay, now here, okay, in Unix, how to comment the lines, okay, hash, how to comment the lines, okay, hash. Now, so okay, echo, okay, enter, okay, echo, so okay, enter the country, echo, echo, enter the, okay, country, okay, read, okay, read, okay, country, so read, so okay, read, okay, country. Now echo, so okay, enter the, so okay, echo, enter the name, so echo, enter the, so okay, echo, enter the, okay, name. Okay, then okay, read, okay, name. So read, okay, name. Now, so these two variables I am going to declare as a dynamic variables. These I am going to declare it as a dynamic variables. Now go ahead and, okay, run this program. So now, okay, if you go and run this one, so echo enter the, okay, country. So if I'm going to define the, okay, enter the country as RUSSA Russia, and okay, enter the name. So enter the name as, so okay, I mean, I'm going to keep that name as, so okay, I'm going to keep that name as, okay, some name. So now, so welcome to, okay, our country. So okay, welcome to, okay, our country. So whatever, Mister, okay, this what you can able to, okay, specify it. So we can also, okay, design. So now if you go ahead and run this one, so next time it will try to again enter the, so again it will try to, okay, enter the country. So if I mention now, okay, USA, then okay, again it will ask you to enter the, okay, name. So again it will ask you to enter the, okay, name. So now, so welcome to the, our country, and okay, okay, welcome to our country, okay, Mr. Okay, name. So which means that, so we are going to change the input. So which means that, okay, the input of the program is dynamic in the sense like after executing the program. So after executing the program, so okay, you are going to, okay, after executing the program, so okay, you are going to, okay, okay, we are going to, okay, I mean, we are going to, okay, provide the input. So based on the input, so okay, based on the, okay, input, okay, then okay, we can able to, okay, based on the input, okay, we can able to, okay, we can able to read that, and we can display the output. We can read the, we can read and display the output. So for example, okay, sometimes, so let's consider, okay, I mean, in some kind of programs, so you are going to, okay, delete, okay, thousands of lines. You want to give a confirmation whether do you want to delete or not. Yes. Whenever you press the yes, then only, okay, go ahead and delete. You are going to connect to a database, or you are going to run some Java programs. So before that, you want to, okay, take a confirmation from user, yes or no. So in that case, we go with this we go with this read command. So in a read command, so what we can do is, so if you go with instead of echo, so instead of echo, so what we can do is, so what we can do is, now let's comment this guy. The other way is, instead of writing echo and instead of writing echo and all, so what we can do is, we can directly go with read hyphen p. So read hyphen p. So enter the enter what we can do is, we can directly go with enter the, so we can directly go with, so enter the country name. So enter the country name. So if you want to read this one, so if you want to read this immediately, we can define this variable. At the end, we can also define the variable. And similarly, read hyphen p. Enter the enter the, so enter the name. So enter the name. So similarly, if you go with just for then dal name. So which means that, so here, so if any line starts with hash, it is a comment. You not to think about much. So in this case, very first time we have hard coded, and second time, and second time, we are going to we are going to display the input by using the echo command, and we are reading. Now the read and echo we are going to combine together. How do we combine the together? By using hyphen p. Hyphen p nothing but enter the prompt. So enter the prompt. So enter the prompt. So now, so let's go ahead and run this program. Now, so dot forward slash enter the country. So India, and again name. So now the same thing, same output. Same output. So is it clear now? So for example, if you go with read hyphen help. So read hyphen help. We can also specify a timeout. We can also specify a timeout. So what is the meaning of timeout? So for example, if you are not going to specify, so if you are not going to specify, so hyphen t. So for example, if you go with hyphen t timeout. So for example, if I mention 5, so 5 seconds it waits. 5 seconds it will it waits. If you are not passing the input, if you are not passing the input, so more than that, if you are not passing the input more than that, so it will come out. So basically, so there is a default timeout. So if you want to cross that, if you want to override that, if you want to override that, so if don't provide any input, so automatically, so it will go for that next. So enter the name. So if you're not going to enter both, then it will there is no, since we haven't passed any input, automatically it comes out. Whereas for better understanding, just remove this here. So for the other one, I'm not going to use the t option. I'm not going to use the t option. So now here, so go ahead and run this program. So it will wait for 5 seconds for the name. If you are not going to specify name, a country name, it will come to that name. It will wait for some time. It will wait for some time. So it will wait for some time. Okay. So is it clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
for here, so since we are not entering that name, so there is a default sometimes. So sometimes it will be forever. These are the more things. Okay. Since we are not passing, automatically it's coming out. So I hope it's clear on read, right? So read hyphen help. So because we are going to use these options heavily. So if the delimiter means if you are going to pass hyphen I. So if you are going with if you go with hyphen n. Okay, yeah, hyphen n means, so with help of hyphen n, what we can do is, So read only, okay, limited characters. So how many characters you want to, okay, limit? Either one or, okay, for example, let's consider. So, okay, I mean, the same program. So assume that, okay, if I'm going to use, okay, read. So, okay, hyphen n one. So hyphen n means only one character. So let me try to, so add, okay, okay, this option, okay, as well. So all the options will try to, okay, use it. So okay, here also I'm going to, okay, use, so okay, hyphen t, okay, 5. Now I'm going to, okay, write, okay, one more, okay, read hyphen n 1 hyphen, okay, p. So read hyphen n, okay, 1 hyphen p. So okay, I mean, okay, gender. So okay, gender, okay, gender details. So okay, gender details. So either you want to press either M or, okay, F. So either M or, okay, F. Either M or, okay, F. Okay, then, okay, you want to say, okay, say is, okay, answer ANS. So for example, okay, just, okay, gender. Okay, just, okay, gender. So once you gender, okay, then, okay, whatever that input you have provided, then, okay, then if you want to read that, so okay, if you want to read this one, then, okay, dollar, okay, gender. So for example, let's see if you try to pass, okay, more than one, what kind of output, okay, will exception will get it. So you enter the country, so okay, India, okay, name, so okay, Rama, and okay, gender details, male or female. You just enter, okay, MALE. So if I'm going to enter, more than one. So if I try to enter more than, okay, one. So for example, okay, A, okay, B. So okay, AB. So it won't take. So okay, welcome to the country. Okay, Mr. B. So which means that it, okay, it will only take only one character. It will only take only, so one character, two characters it won't, okay, accept. So if you want to limit that, okay, number of characters, then for example, whether do you want to wish to continue, yes or no, and those scenarios, okay, we go with this hyphen, okay, n option, hyphen n, okay, option. So if you want to, okay, create an array, so if you want to create an array, then okay, we have to, okay, go with, okay, then we have to go with, okay, hyphen a. So we have to go with the, so okay, hyphen a. So okay, hyphen a means, so okay, it's a kind of array. So what is the meaning of array? What is the definition of, okay, array? So, okay, what is the definition of array? Array is a sequence of, okay, elements. So, array is a sequence of elements, which means that if you take a variable, so if a variable, so okay, if variable, a variable can contains, a variable can contains, a variable can contains more than, okay, one word. Okay, if variable, a variable can contains, okay, more than, okay, one words, more than, okay, one words. So if the variable, for example, if you go with, okay, countries, for example, same thing, okay, countries. So countries is equals to, so okay, if you are going to, okay, use, okay, I mean the variable, okay, array, how we can define is just, okay, by using this, okay, okay, brackets. So for example, okay, A, B, I mean, or we can mention as, okay, India, okay, USA, okay, Russia, China. So which means that now this is a kind of, okay, this is a kind of, okay, array. What is an array? An array is a, okay, data structure. So okay, an array is a, what is the definition of array? Okay, array is a data structure. So array is a data structure that can store okay, multiple values, that can store, okay, multiple values, okay, okay, that can store, okay, multiple values, okay, in a single, okay, in a single, okay, name or, okay, variable, single name or, okay, variable, single name or, okay, variable. So single name are, okay, variables. So how do we declare that, okay, array? So how do we declare array in Unix? Okay, just, okay, for example, if you go with, okay, names, if you go with, okay, names, so names is equals to, so okay, names, okay, is equals to, if you try to, okay, provide, okay, here as, okay, Ram and, okay, name. So if you are going to, okay, with, okay, names, so okay, this way we are going to define more than, okay, once, which means that, okay, this is a kind of, okay, array. So once you declare your variable as an array, Unix is also, okay, by default you are going to access first one. You are by default you are going to access, okay, first. So if you want to, okay, access, okay, further. So for example, if you want to access with further, so okay, we can also go with, okay, their positions. So okay, in okay, in okay, in Unix, the array, okay, the array index starts with, array, okay, index, okay, starts with, okay, 0. Array index starts with, okay, 0. So in this case, so okay, in this case, so okay, in a single name, okay, in okay single okay name. So array index starts with okay zero, right? So for example, if I go with okay echo dollar okay names, echo dollar names, we are going to access only first. So by default, okay, we can able to access by default, okay, we can able to access only okay by default, okay, we can able to access okay only that okay first position. First position is okay that is the first okay zero. So whereas okay if you want to okay access for example okay if you want to access okay from the names for example let's consider now you want to access the second name, so you want to access the okay second name, just go with okay this guy zero means so this is the position, so this is the position, so we are going to get okay ram 0, and if you go with okay 1 we don't get it. So what you need to do is okay for this we have to keep this okay we have to keep this in flower brackets, we have to keep this in a okay flower bracket. So in this case what will happen is, so in this case okay what happens here is the variable we are going to keep it on okay okay here. So okay this way we are able to get the multiple okay values. For example if you go with okay 2 2, if you go with okay 3 3 3 we don't have it, right? So if you go with okay 0 0, if you go with okay okay star all, if you want to access all star all, this way we can able to access. So okay how do we define that okay how do we define the array? The array can be defined so by using okay okay by using this. So okay how do we define okay array? Just okay names, okay just okay names. So the syntax of this one is okay names then okay brackets, just names okay bracket. So how do we access all of them? So by default okay we can able to access, so by default okay we can able to access okay by default okay we can able to access the okay access okay access first variable. I mean the index starts okay the position of index starts in okay Unix shell scripting is 0. 0 means okay first, and okay 1 2 3 that way we can able to access it. So let me try to okay access the negative numbers. What will happen if you go with negative numbers? So negative numbers also from okay negative side onwards. You can also go with negative side. If you go with okay 2 2, and okay 3 means in negative directions also we can able to okay access. So okay 4 means the fourth position. So we can able to access from either positive or negative. Positive okay positive okay okay positive index okay starts from a positive index okay starts from okay 0, and okay negative okay and okay negative index okay starts from -1. Negative index okay starts from okay minus okay 1. So I hope it's clear for okay everyone. So this is how we can able to so okay declare a variable, and with more than one okay if you want to okay access, so okay we can go with okay this okay array. So in simple, a variable that can hold multiple pieces of related data. I mean okay I mean okay the definition of array will be changes, but array is a collection of okay elements. Simply we can say it as a collection of okay similar elements keeping into a single variable or single array. If you go with a class, so if you go with the classes I mean school is a one variable. If you consider okay if you consider okay general names or okay age or phone numbers, all will be a okay, all will be a kind of okay all this will be kind of okay variables, because it is having okay more than one okay, more than one entity. So the same thing, so if you want to access, so the same thing okay if you want to access okay through through read through read. So what we can do is, so okay we can able to so go with okay even in okay Unix also we can able to okay go with okay we can go with okay arrays. So okay here how do we go with okay arrays? The same. So okay the same. So for example okay if you go with okay I mean here, so vi, so now okay leave about okay, all this one gender is over. Now echo, so okay instead of okay echo, or okay we can go with okay read. So read hyphen p, so okay enter the, so okay enter the, so okay enter okay enter the Okay, okay, enter the, okay, different, okay, enter the, okay, names of, okay, students, okay, from, okay, students from, okay, their, okay, I mean, okay, their, okay, IDs, okay, their, okay, IDs. So which means that, so okay, you want to enter, okay, the student names with, okay, their IDs. So you just use the, okay, hyphen A. So okay, hyphen A, okay, names, hyphen A, okay, names. Just okay, I mean, go with this. So if you want to, okay, access after that, okay, if you want to access, so echo the same thing, echo, okay, all names, echo all names the same way, okay, I echo all names. So again, okay, same, okay, the remaining things are, okay, same only. So okay, here, okay, okay, here, okay, same only. So echo dollar, okay, names, okay, star, okay, echo dollar, okay, name, okay, star. Then, so okay, we can also, okay, go with, okay, we can also go with, so for example, okay, first name, okay, first name, okay, first name, okay, first name, okay, here for first name, -1, -1, echo last name, we'll just go with, okay, last name, we don't want to use all these things, okay, last name, okay, last name, just -1. So okay, here, so okay, here, okay, minus, okay, 1. So minus, okay, 1. So okay, here it is, okay, 0. So here it is, okay, 0, right? So I don't know, you people are silently listening the classes. So okay, all names, first name and okay, last name. So first name and okay, last name. The syntax are okay, clearly matching, right? So okay, here, so directly if you go with the dollar name, so dollar name, so we can able to access only the first. So if you want to access, okay, with their position, we have to use, okay, 0. 0 means starting with the first, -1 means, okay, negative, okay, indexing, negative, so okay, indexing. Now go ahead and run this, okay, program, dot forward slash variable test dot sh, you go enter the, okay, name, country name. So always go with, so whichever the name, and okay, so okay, okay, enter the, okay, okay, enter the, okay, name of students. For example, I want to give the name of the students called A, B, okay, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. So we are going to get, so all names. So I already told you that dollar star. If you remember that, okay, as part of shell variables, I specified that dollar star. Dollar star means to access the all variables at one time. To access the all variables at, okay, one time. I will also show you that, okay, one more thing. Echo, okay, the number of students. The number of, okay, students, okay, in class is, so if you want to count this, so what you need to do is, so okay, we have to just, okay, pass hash. We already know about all these options, okay, hash. So okay, here, so okay, the same thing we are going to, okay, learn multiple times. So okay, I mean, you know that, okay, dollar star, I told you the dollar star means to access all positional parameters at one time, whereas okay, dollar zero means first. I already told you that, okay, it will show different. And okay, dollar hash means it will try to count how many things have, okay, passed. So now similarly, I don't know what this one. So now, so okay, here, so okay, if you go with, okay, okay, if you go on, okay, here, so now, okay, now go ahead and run, okay, this program. So for example, okay, India, and okay, name, and okay, I'm going to use this, okay, M. So okay, just M only. Once press M, automatically it will, so okay, names, for example, okay, A, B, C, D, okay, E, okay, F. So okay, A, B, okay, again I'm just passing it, just okay, passing it. So I think hash is, there is some issues, we can count it. So I think that dollar hash only. So okay, here first A and last one is, okay, D. So last one is, okay, D. So last one is, okay, D. So the last one is the, okay, D. Last one is, okay, D. So this way, so okay, this way, okay, we can able to, so okay, this way we can able to, so okay, here if you want to, okay, if you want to count, I think it should be, there is a little bit syntax differentiation. So dollar hash, okay, dollar hash, just okay, here, dollar hash, I think it is okay, okay, this is, okay, names. Yeah, the dollar hash, okay, names, just okay,
There
okay, names.
there is a mistake in the number of students there. um,
Sorry, what is the mistake?
at the starting with the number is spelling mistaken.
That I will correct it. So in classes, okay, dollar hash, okay, names. So if you go with okay, dollar hash names, so okay, this is the one way to get it. And okay, the other way is there are two styles of syntaxes. So we'll go with okay, both okay styles. So okay, dollar hash, okay, names, and okay, then we can also okay use okay, we can also use okay, we can also okay use okay at the rate. We can also use so okay at the rate. I think we need to use that at the rate okay earlier. Dollar hash instead of okay hash. Okay, we need to mention hash and okay hash okay okay this way we can able to okay get it. So now go ahead and okay test it. So okay here. So okay for example okay India and okay I mean I need to change different programs. So just okay so okay, after that, so I'm going to okay pass okay all these okay inputs. So I'm going to pass all these okay input. So okay, let's go ahead and okay enter the multiple times. So last one is okay. Last one I want to okay give input as okay. Last one I want to give input as okay VV. So we'll come to know. So okay, I mean okay here is so the last name is okay double way. First name is A. This is where we can able to count it. This is where okay if you want to count all the number of inputs we have passed, then okay that this is the okay this is the I mean the correct okay syntax. So cat okay this guy. So okay this is the one okay the first one and okay this is this way we can able to count it. So at the rate is the symbol at the end you have to use the at the rate means all so that okay it will display the same kind of okay output. Okay. So okay, with help of okay these two things we can able to count it. We can able to count. So okay, what is this one? There is a differentiation. So if you go with okay this guy, so I forgive my mistake. So this way, what we can do with okay this way is so okay with the help of okay this one. So dollar hash where and okay this is the one. Okay, so dollar hash, okay, okay, variable. So okay, if okay, I mean it will try to okay, for example, one and all, it will give the number of characters in a variable, in a specific variable. But okay, we should always okay go with okay down. So okay, if you want to count it, this way we can able to okay count. So okay, this is completely about the okay read statement. So okay, read hyphen hyphen help. So in your okay programs okay okay if you go with okay your programs as part of okay your programs as part of your programs so okay, we must always use this okay read commands we always use this okay read command. So any doubts on okay this read? So hyphen r means so even we can also go with okay hyphen okay I mean we can also go with okay hyphen r option. What is the meaning of okay hyphen r here? Do you see anything on okay here? So by default like hyphen r means raw means okay basically providing the okay input. So okay we can use this okay p okay prompt and okay all the okay details. So okay it's clear for okay everyone, right? Any doubts? Okay, clear. Any doubts? So it's not, I mean, even we can also pass the multiple inputs. Multiple inputs also we can able to okay read it. Okay. Now it's clear for okay everyone. Any doubts? I want to show you one more thing. Profs. Yeah. So this document will clearly show us how to okay define okay variables, okay how to okay performs the okay operations. So okay here so array I mean okay array in Unix is you know the definition of array, right? So how do we declare that okay array? Then array name index then value. So this is the one way to okay this is the okay one way. So this is a so okay one way. Okay, this is okay one way. The other way is okay just okay the other way is okay declare hyphen a okay okay array name. So okay there are three ways okay we can define the okay okay define okay array. So okay one is array name. Then okay we can also use okay by using declare keyword. So declare hyphen a array and okay array name. So we always go with okay compound assignment only directly. So okay, I mean directly we go with okay this approach because it's simple and straightforward, right? So we need to define array, then we need to assign the value. We don't go with that. So okay, this is explicit declaration, and okay, this is a indirect declaration. So array name. So okay, we don't go with okay this one. Always okay, we prefer to go with okay this option. So okay here. So okay, if you go with okay this option, so let's copy paste okay this entire program so that okay it will be okay some. So okay array declaration okay this we already discussed. So as I told you that okay, if you go with at the rate, the syntax is used to printing all elements. So if you want to print a range and all, so we can also okay go through with okay we can also go through on okay this one. But let me try to okay explain okay I explain about okay this program. So let's go with the notepad so plus plus. So it will be easy for us to okay understand, right? So control S control S all types array dot okay sh array dot okay sh. So if you go with an okay this is the advantages of okay notepad plus plus, right? So the same way so we are going to declare an array the same jsh some names and okay how do we print all the elements in the array? So one is at the rate and one is okay star. So this we already okay discussed. So star and at the rate we have discussed. How do we access the first element? By using okay 0. So for example, okay, if you want to, I mean, if you want to declare, if you want to access a specific, okay, value, we can directly define the number, or we can also directly, okay, go with, okay, this, I mean, okay, we can able to declare here, they have declared one variable and, okay, they are trying to, okay, access, okay, they are passing into, okay, as part of, they are passing, so, okay, as part of, in echo command. So if you want to print the element from a particular index, so how do we print that? Okay, what is the intent of this guy? Echo at the rate of okay two means from particular okay index. So okay, this is what okay we want to okay discuss. So okay here okay names okay is equals to okay for example okay countries. So countries okay is equals to so I'm going with okay different okay countries. So okay India. So okay A okay B okay, C D E F G H. I'm just going with some random. So okay for that okay I mean at the end it should be okay having a okay space also. It should be having a okay space also. So there is a okay here. So since Unix is a, I mean, we need to be, this is a problem with, okay, Unix. We need to define everything. So, okay, here, so if you go with, okay, this option, so if you go with, okay, this option, so what is the, okay, intent of, okay, this guy? So we can also go with, okay, star, you know, to remember, okay, both. So, okay, here, what is our, okay, variable name? Countries. So which means that from from second index elements onwards you will print, okay, remaining. So here this is the 0 1 2. From 2 we are going to print everything. From 2 you are going to print say everything. So if you go with, okay, minus 2, from minus 2 you will get, okay, you will get, okay, everything. So from minus 2, so you will get, okay, everything. That is the, okay, intent of, okay, this guy. So if you want to print a particular range, so if you want to print a particular range, so how can we print the particular range? So if you go with, like, a star, everything, okay, will print it. So, okay, after the star you just mention 1 colon, okay, 3. So 1 colon 3. So first to 3 we are going to, okay, we are going to, okay, display. That is the, so, okay, we need, I mean, the arrays, why I'm explaining this arrays explicitly is as part of programs, okay, we are going to, so, okay, use this, okay, heavily. We are going to use this, okay, heavily. And, okay, we're also having, okay, two more, okay, options. So let's see that, okay, what they are going to be, okay, teach the same whatever I told, but I want to, okay, show you, okay, everything. So, okay, here the same way. So, okay, search that, okay, here. And, okay, if you want to replace, we can also replace. For example, okay, if you want to replace, okay, anything, so even we can also use the grep command also. So if you want to search a specific, okay, element in array, whether that element is available or not, simply just use the, so star grep hyphen c, okay, this way we can able to, okay, search it. So for example, okay, the same command, so, okay, in the same command, so, okay, pipe grep hyphen I, so, okay, grep hyphen I, okay, USA. The USA is available, it will, you will get it. The USA is not available, you don't get it. So India is there, so we are going to get that, okay, India. So if you want to replace the same set command, so str1 by str2 by, okay, same thing. So, okay, if you want to delete a particular element in the, okay, index, just unset of that particular, okay, element. So if you want to, okay, okay, remove everything, so, okay, then, okay, we can go ahead and, okay, unset is an option where if you want to remove the elements from a specific, okay, index array, then, okay, we go with, okay, this guy, we go with these options. So I have saved it because, okay, I mean, we may go to different purposes. That's why I saved this, okay, web page. So I'm going to, okay, share with everyone. We can also, okay, save it. So, okay, this is about that, okay, okay, indexes. I hope it's clear for, okay, everyone. The options are, okay, very simple and, okay, straightforward. Okay, nothing, okay, much. So today we learn how to declare an array, how to declare an, okay, index, and, okay, how to read the, okay, inputs. So, okay, how to, okay, read the input by using, okay, read command. How to read the input by using, okay, read command. So the one more, okay, syntax is, okay, VI. So position dot, okay, sh. I'm going to create one more program called VI position dot, okay, sh. So, okay, hash not, okay, bin by, okay, sh echo, okay, echo. So now we are going to pass the input. So now we are going to pass the input. So how are you going to pass the input now? So, okay, we are going to, okay, pass the input by using the read command. Whereas there is a other opportunity. There is a, okay, other opportunity. So, okay, there is a, okay, other opportunity. So, okay, there is a, okay, other opportunity. So, okay, here script name. There is another opportunity. So this we already discussed. That's why I'm not going to explain much.
అన్న ఎక్కువ దగ్గర ఎక్కువ స్ట్రాంగ్ ఫస్ట్ దగ్గర ఇన్వర్టెడ్ కామర్స్
It's not needed. So I'm going with okay, okay, here, right? Sorry, sorry. Yeah.
యా డాలర్ ఫస్ట్.
So I'm going to change the program little bit, okay, change, little bit, okay, change. So here, as of now, you run a program, okay, you are trying to pass the variables after executing the program. One is okay, standard, one is okay, okay, one is that okay, standard way. So we are going to declare the variable and assigning, then okay, dynamic. Now, so there is another way while executing the script itself, while executing a program, we can also pass some okay, inputs. Based on the inputs, your program can able to execute. Whereas if you are passing an arguments or inputs along with okay, script execution, we can call it as a positional parameters or command line arguments. So if you are passing a parameters along with the script execution, we can call it as we can call it as command line arguments or positional okay parameters. So chmod 755 position dot sh. So now, okay, go ahead and run this okay program dot forward slash position dot sh. Now I'm going to okay pass okay a b c d c. So okay, the entire okay, let's correct it. Some spelling mistakes. Dollar hash. Nothing. This is the last topic. So now, if you go and run this guy, it clearly says that. So okay, it clearly okay says that the entire input is so okay as part of program what we have specified. So position.sh. So dollar star. I told you that dollar star means to access the position okay to access all position parameters at once we can go with okay dollar star and dollar at that also we have seen examples, right? So it allows us to read all of them one and it will also construct an array. From this array we can able to access one by one. So I told you that echo dollar zero always displays the in command line it will display the shell name which is currently being used. So inside the shell program it will try to okay display the okay it will try to display the okay program name. So what is your okay program name? What is our program name? So okay dollar okay zero. So okay, script name is for example dot position dot okay sh. The first element is okay, first one is a, ninth element is I, tenth element. So instead of what is the tenth element here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, ninth element is I, right? After I, J. So okay, instead of displaying the J, it is displaying A0, which means the dollar 10, right? So by using that okay positional parameters, this we can call position parameters, right? We can access only nine positional parameters, nine positional parameters at a time. So at one shot, we can able to access maximum nine positional parameters, including with zero. So total 10. So 0 to 9 only we can able to access. So here I have mentioned. So what is our okay intent? So I have mentioned here as dollar 10. Dollar 10 means what is the input of dollar 1? A followed by 0 output. Then okay dollar 20. So instead of 20 we don't have 20, right? What is the output what is the value of 2 here? B followed by okay 0. B followed by the okay 0. That is the output okay we are going to okay get. That is the okay, output we are going to get. So okay by using okay here. So dollar okay B0. 20th means B0. Total elements are okay 18. Dollar hash means to count the number of positional parameters which we pass to the program, that we can able to count by using this dollar okay hash. Dollar hash is a another kind of okay utility. Now I hope everyone is clear about you. Now you clear about all your doubts, right? As part of shell variables. So I told you that okay, we are going to discuss as part of shell script. So this is the way. So now, if you want to access more than 9 positional parameters at a time, we have to use a keyword called okay, shift. A shift is a keyword. With the help of shift keyword, we can able to shift the positional parameters from one positions to another position. So this we'll discuss on okay next class. So okay, we'll continue okay Monday onwards with the shift. So okay, shift is a so the next week okay will be the next week okay we'll discuss about okay shift, if condition, and okay then a little bit programs okay we'll try to okay write. So I hope it's clear for okay everyone. So okay, any doubts, let me know.